Today I am making a potato casserole. I have never made one of these before, so bear with me. I am sauteing a little bit of onion and garlic to kick up the flavor a little bit. So let's add a little bit more, let that saute. So let's get that a little bit hot right now. Bring that up a little. I have 4 eggs, a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's say about 1/4 a teaspoon of pepper and 1/2 a teaspoon of sea salt. About maybe a cup of ham. And about a cup of organic milk. I'm gonna add that here. And I'm gonna mix that up while this is sauteing. I already sprayed down a pan, and I have a whole bag of shredded hash brown potatoes that I let defrost. Probably gonna use about 2/3 of this bag. So letting this saute. I just want to get these cooked. I'm going to mix up my eggs. And now this is going. I think I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper to this as well, just to give it a little bit more seasoning. And then I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to add my onions to my eggs, my ham over here. I'm going to put everything in the pan, and then I will tell you the baking directions. Lower that. I'm going to season this. So I mixed everything up. I spread my potatoes out. This is about 1/2 a bag of those potatoes, maybe a little bit more. So I have it spread out onto the pan. Mixed everything in, and then I'm gonna pour everything over here, and then I will go over the cooking directions. But my kids won't be home for another, hour. I'm gonna let this set in the fridge just to settle. So I love these Pyrex dishes. They have these lids, or you could cover this with an aluminum foil or saran wrap and just let it set for at least an hour. So let's pour this on top. And I am gonna have to spread this out with a spatula, maybe mix it in a little better. Once again, this is the first time I'm making this dish, so I need to spread this out. After you mixed everything up in the pan, then I covered with about a package of Colby Jack cheese. So I finished up this package, and then I used about the remainder of this one with a little left over. So this is going to set for about 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and then we bake it at 350 uncovered for 45 minutes. So right now this is going in the fridge. Here it is, fresh out of the oven. I would let it sit for about a minute before serving, and it smells really good.